everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a fun one. I'll be using the volume 1 Tati beauty palette, and I'll be doing an eye look. I just have my makeup routine done, my foundation, concealer, highlighter, that good stuff. But I am wanting to test this out on my eyes and see how it turns out. I do not know yet what colors I'll be using. However, I'm very intrigued to start using this palette. I think it is so pretty. This black looks amazing. These look amazing. Oh, I just tapped it. So let's get started with the eye tutorial and see how this turns out. If it turns out glam, if it turns out not so glam, I have no idea, but let's test it out. So, however, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell down below to let you know of my future uploads. So let's get started with the video. So I have few brushes I picked out that I usually use on my eyes, and I'm gonna start with, I'm gonna zoom in. So I'm gonna start with this pretty peach color. Oh no, it's not peach, it's poet. This color right over here. And I did experience some fallout. But let's get started. Ooh. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing, but I'm gonna go in a little deeper with the other one on the bottom. Now I'm gonna go with my other brush and I'm gonna get this beautiful orange color. It's called Story in the matte finish. There is a lot of fallout, which I'm not sure how I like that. Okay guys, so I did go ahead and repeated the same thing I did on this eye on this one. As you can see, let me close my eyes a little bit. I am gonna go with a brown tone, which is this pretty light type of color. This is on the row Ritual in the metallic one right up here. Oh. So this one doesn't have as much as fallout as the other one. As you can see that I'm picking it up. It does create a little bit, but not a lot. And that one, I'm going to put it on the top of the crease. A little bit more, very lightly. Go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye. I feel that this type of look is like a look I would not go normally for. But I will clean up the edges at the end of my look. So there you have it. Now I'm gonna end up getting one of these. Which one should I do? Oh, I'm gonna do the pink one. I'm gonna end up adding this pink color to the eyelid. I know that Tati did say not to use a brush and to use your eye very lightly, so I have nails. I don't know how that's gonna work out, but let's go for it. I'm gonna put a little bit. Ooh. Ooh, that looks so pretty. Okay. Then do it the other eye. That beautiful color. And pretty much. Lastly, I did end up going, as you can see, I have a little bit of fallout, but nothing that can be brushed out. I did go ahead and put a little bit of concealer just to clean up that mess around that area and kind of define my eye better. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Whoa, I don't wanna mess it up. And just press on. I could easily use tape as well, but I did not want to. So I am liking this. This looks very glam. So the last thing I'll be doing is adding this beautiful matte color at the end here. It's called Aura, and I'm gonna be putting that under my eyebrow just to give it a little bit more of a definition. And I am using the mirror to do this makeup look. Now, I will be using this color right over here, is the metallic in the row of Aura. And I'm going to be using this one as the inner part of my eye. And the other one. I did also mix in both of these colors a little bit, and I'm going to put it under my eye. Trying not to make it in my eye. So guys, we're done with the makeup look. I think that it looks amazing. I really did not know what direction I was going for until I actually sat and looked at the product and the eyeshadow palette. But this is the look I came up with. I think it looks so pretty. I did not add any eyeliner just because I have eyelash extensions and then it's going to be a little hard to get it off. This is the look. I think it looks very pretty. I think it's something very different, and I can use this palette for day and night. I see that type of transition between the colors, and I'm very pleased with the components, the elements that are inside of the product. And there was not as much as fallout as I would expected, not even with the glitters. So I know there was a little bit of fallout here, but nothing too crazy to get rid of. So this is the final look. If you guys really enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more makeup tutorials like this. And if you did enjoy, please let me know. And yes, I hope everyone has a great day, and I love you all. Bye guys. Thank you.